ahead, you honey. She's so pretty. I should bring her right out on camera.
You should have brought her right. She's like, don't.
She should be a host. Okay, so here's what we have. We had a full hour of Temptations this morning. I'm going to tell you, if you weren't up between 7 and 8 a.m., lucky, you need to go. You need to go back to QVC.com and click on items on air and scroll back to 7 a.m. because we had a phenomenal hour of brand new Temptations items for decorating and whatnot. But here's another one. This is the first day at a sale price. We even reduced the shipping and handling. This was $31.47, now at $18.98. So you're saving $12, paying $18.98. Is that the sweetest little thing? The Winter Whimsy. It's a 6-cup muffin pan, but it's done in ceramic and stoneware. And so it's so easy, and it's going to do the best job of baking.
And this is our Merry Chefs. So did you notice we put all chef's hats on the characters? Good morning, everybody.
And this is the lovely Tara Tesher.
Hello, hello.
She is the designer of all these pieces, the founder, creator. 21 years ago, we've sold 25 million sets of her stoneware bakeware. Wow.
Thank you, everybody. All right, so 6-cup muffin. Why do you love cooking in Temptations or baking in Temptations? What we love about it, naturally non-stick. So no butters, no oils, no extra added fats, which is great. So whether you're doing baked goods or savory, we're going to show you a bunch of different ideas. It's in the shape of a tree. They're your full muffin size. And then we also have the choice of what we call our poinsettia, which has that beautiful poinsettia right down at the bottom there. And again, I love the fact that it's stoneware. So it's oven safe up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, the dishwasher.
All of those places.
But let's talk about some of the things I think that are traditional, right? So your cupcakes. What's nice about this, maybe you have a holiday tradition of things that you always love to make, or maybe you're thinking about gifting something like this. What a perfect gift for the holidays.
Oh, without a doubt.
That you can do either muffins in there if you want to in the morning, or I love this idea of doing mini quiches.
I do too.
And I will do this. By the way, you can put this in the microwave. So if you do mix up your eggs and microwave them, you can do that right in this dish as well. Just a little secret, but they also go in the oven up to 500 degrees. And then I'll freeze these. And like during the week,
that's a good idea.
I'll take them out and
pop them in the microwave.
Exactly.
Sweet.
But also something maybe you don't think about, little individual meatloafs. What I love about this is you're able to pipe that right in there, and look at that. If you're thinking about portion control, you have the mashed potatoes right there on the top. Now everybody can have their own individual meatloaf, which we love.
How sweet is that? And what are these things?
Well, this is a little pumpkin crumble, which is nice, right?
Oh,
we put the little cinnamon sticks there, absolutely delicious, because you can chill these ahead of time also. So
you could do little ice cream desserts.
Love that.
And pop it in there. Maybe you put something on top of it, and then you put it back in the freezer if you want to.
Now,
if you want the Merry Chefs, they are going very quickly because a lot of you are shopping for the Winter Whimsy. And they are adorable.
Yeah, so we have the gingerbread up in the top, and then we go all the way down to like Santa. We have the penguin, and we put them to work in the kitchen. So they're holding like cute little tray of cookies, or they have a little roller. Or we even have Elf Bertie in the bottom corner. Okay, I'm gonna come out of the oven because this is really fun now. Maybe I'm gonna go around the front if you don't mind.
Little pizzas.
To some or little taco cups.
Oh,
little Taco Tuesday. But what I love, right, is that it's bubbling all the way around, but they'll literally pop right out.
That's the non-stick.
Exactly.
Do I have to put any butter in it, or
you don't
oil
have to.
or anything?
I always say if the recipe calls for it, feel free to go ahead and use it. There might be a reason why. But look at how each one is just individually spinning right around in there, and super easy, and now you have an appetizer. So if you've never cooked in your 6-cup muffin, you should be. It's not just for baking.
Right, and the other thing is that with the kids, you know, they're coming home from camp, maybe they've got to run off to something else. You have these already available. Like you said, make the quiche, and now you can freeze those quiches, and now they can just pop them in the microwave when they get home from school, that type of thing.
And if you're picking up more than one, I did want to just show you, they're going to nest down inside each other. So I love the idea if you wanted to make a dozen, you obviously can pick up 2.
And especially at this clearance price.
Right.
By the way, you can buy 2 for almost the price of 1.
Yes.
And yes, when this is gone, this is gone. It's retiring. So if you're going to get these, this is the time. Why does ceramic bake things better.
Yeah. So the heat actually hugs your food, right? Our grandmothers use stoneware, their grandmothers use stoneware.
Yeah.
It's a reliable cooking material in the fact that you don't have to baby it. Naturally nonstick, metal utensil safe, so you can literally dig right in there.
Yeah.
And then when it's in the oven at 500 degrees, the heat is circulating and hugging your food, so you don't get the metal like hot spots or buckling in the oven. It truly is that delicate way of cooking everything and making sure it turns out perfect. Our nostalgic line, Mary Beth, is something we started doing in honor of our 20th anniversary last year, where we went back to the vault, brought back some of those great pieces that you loved, and updated them with the patterns you've been collecting.
I gotta tell
Super
you,
special.
this is a great gift. I mean, for less than $20, once again, we had things this morning at 7 a.m. that I said, if you've got a secret Santa or you've got to do a, white elephant gift, they say buy something for $20 or less. Is anybody else going to give this to somebody? I'm telling you, they will all be fighting over this. That's the problem. But anyway, you get to choose the poinsettia or the winter whimsy, or we call them the Merry Chefs. And let me see if I can remember their name. Wimbly the reindeer, Gumdrop the gingerbread man, Mr. Bojangles snowman, and Penny the penguin.
That's right, and Elf Bertie.
Oh, and Elf Bertie.
And then
See,
the
I
big
always
man, we
forget
got
those.
Santa.
Yeah, Santa.
We
you know
never
what I mean.
forget them.
Thank you so
Adorable.
much.
Thank you for seeing me.
And check
Good to
out
be here.
our 7 a.m. show this morning so you don't miss out on some of those brand